Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be cooking a roast, and since it's so hot here in Alabama, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. It's not a great idea to start, heating up your oven and then you're heating up the house and it gets too hot. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. All I do is whenever I need to cook something like a roast or anything like that, and in the South it's so hot and I don't want to run the oven because it would make it hotter in the house, I usually will just pop this roast into my crock pot, and I add in 1 package of this onion soup mix, and it makes it really delicious. I like to cook my roast in here. I will cook in the oven during the winter time, but during the summer I cook it in the crock pot, and that way I can just walk away from it and not have to tend to it. And so I don't even, and a lot of times too, I don't have time to defrost it. So this is still kind of frozen, and I just throw it inside the crock pot. And I put only 1 package of this. You can add in your vegetables. I would probably add them in a little later when it gets closer to get done. I will let this cook. My husband will get off probably about 6-7 more hours. And since I have some running around to do, I will just let this cook until he gets home. I like smash the seasoning up because it gets kind of clumpy in there. So you can do that, or you can just leave it, in one big clump. But I like it to get all over the roast. And you can see that I have my roast in there, and I just sprinkled this onion soup over the top. See how it comes in like little chunks? Some of the flavoring, see there, and you can just break it up, crumble it in there. And this stuff is so yummy on it. And if you want to add in like a gravy packet at the end too, you can do that. But I'm keto, so I don't do that. And basically that's it. I put my lid on there and I put it on low and let it cook all day. And that's how I cook my roast. And the roast that I use is a chuck roast, and I only gave $9 for this one. Let me see what pound it was, because I'm not sure. It says that this one is 4 pounds for $9, y'all. So that's a really great price. And so that's what I do. It'll sit in here until my husband gets off, and I've got to run to the store and get a few vegetables. And what we'll probably have with it is some broccoli, and I may make him some mashed potatoes or something like that to go with it. I won't be having the mashed potatoes. I'll probably just have broccoli. But this is a great fast meal, something you can just throw in the crock pot and not even have to watch it, and go about your day, and if you need to clean the house or if you have to leave the house. So that's it. I hope y'all like what I've done here on cooking my roast, and I'll show y'all when it's done. I also add in a 1/2 cup of water to this, and you can add more into it if you would like, but that's all I put in, and I just let it pretty much cook until my husband gets home. And I will come back and let y'all see the end results. Y'all, I am back. This roast is smelling so good. The roast is done. It is now 5 o'clock, but I'm going to leave it in this crock pot and let it keep on cooking until 7 o'clock when my husband gets home. My daughter just got here and she loves roast, so I went ahead and plated her up some. And this is her plate, and we added some steamed broccoli. And that's all that she wants with her roast. And usually I'll do a gravy and some mashed potatoes, but she's trying to do the low carb thing too. So this is on one of the smallest plates that I have, and that's what she will be eating.